Yo, hi everyone, I'm Clinton and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove the language icon that shows just down below on your taskbar. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go over to your settings, and then when you're in your settings, you go over to your time and language, and you go over to language and region. And once you're in your language and region, it's going to display to you the languages that you are using. So from here, I have English and I have French. So I can just go ahead and remove the French, and I can click on delete. And as you can see, the icon automatically goes away. But if you want to keep this secondary language and also make sure that the icon is not there, this is what you have to do. So let's go ahead and add the language back. Um, so that was French. Okay, so as it's gonna be on here, so install it. So as you can see, the French is here. So this is what you will have to do, and you have to go back and go into your typing, and then you have to scroll down, go to your advanced keyboard settings, and when you're here, you have to click on the language bar options. All right. So from here, what you have to do is to click on hidden, and you click apply, then okay. Then after that, you have to click on use the default language bar when it's available. And as you can see, it's also out while we are also keeping the secondary language. So if you find these tips helpful, please don't forget to like the video, and you can support by subscribing, turning on the bell notification. I really do appreciate that. All right. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.